Lastly, we're going to talk about the referral program. So for all paying subscribers, the referral program is right here, and you can register for a promo code. And once you have it, all you have to do is copy it or send it to somebody. And when they check out, you'll get a free month when they subscribe yearly, and they will get a 10% discount on their subscription. There's no limit to the number of times your referral code can be redeemed, and your referral code is tied back specifically to you so that you can get credit for your referrals and get more value out of your subscription. So the more referrals you get, you may never pay for a subscription again if people keep using your referral code. So your referral code is right here, and that will give you a free month every single time that is redeemed.